Hello student. So this is the second part of security attacks. In the previous video, in part 1, we have seen what is security attack and what are its type. Okay. So we have seen there are two type of attacks, passive attack and the active attack. Okay. So in this video, we are going a bit further and looking inside of these attacks. Okay. So in passive attack, we know an attacker is not here to modify the data. He is actually just getting that information and using for its own benefits. Okay. So an attacker here could have two methods. Okay, possibly could have two methods to attack. Okay, first is the monitoring of the information and second is the recording of the information. So what is the monitoring of the information? Let's suppose an attacker is sitting somewhere and just looking inside the network. What is being transferred into the network? He just monitoring it and getting that information. Okay, second is the recording of the information. Like attacker has some device to record and he put that device into the network and recording the information. Whatever the information is being transferred through the network, he just recording that information. So monitoring and the recording are possibly two methods by which an attacker can attack. Okay, so there are, and in passive attacks there are two types. Okay, there are two type of attacks: release of the message content and second is the traffic analysis. So what is release of message content? Let's suppose there are two person A and B and they want their conversation confidential. Okay, in that case let's suppose an attacker comes and attack in between, okay, and get that information and release it publicly. Okay, but what A and B want, they want their conversation confidential, but what C does, C release it publicly. Okay, so this type of release of messages is release of message content. Okay, and second is the traffic analysis. Here the attacker is not doing directly, he's nothing doing directly. What he's doing is he just sits somewhere and just analyzing the traffic. Whatever is going through the network, he's just analyzing it. Okay, like what type of talks the persons are doing and how much length of the messages are and location of the sender, location of the destination, like from where the messages are coming and from where are the messages are going. These type of information can be like the attacker can get from analyzing the traffic. Okay, so this is about the passive attacks. Next is the active attack. In active attack, we have seen that active attack is actually the modifying of the data. Modification of the data will took place here. Okay, so here the attacker is actually modifying the data. There are four types of the active attack. First is the masquerade attack. In masquerade attack, what the attacker do is, attacker actually false identity. Here the attacker predicted to be what he's not. Okay, so he's actually using a false identity to attack. Okay, next is the replay. Replay means, let's suppose A sent some information to B. He want to send some information to B. Okay, but here in between C is looking for this information. Okay, and C get this information and then send some its own information to B. Okay, he is not actually sending the A's data, he is sending some his data. Okay, he is sending some his data to B. So here B get the information of C, not the A. Okay, so this type of attack is the replay attack. Now comes the modification. In modification, what happens is, let's suppose A and B are communicating with each other and C is sitting somewhere, okay, in between of A and B, and now A sends some information to B. So this information is flowing, okay, into the network this way. Okay, here the C captured this information and then modifies it. Okay, let's suppose he send Ram, and then C, this C, which is attacker, he modifies the data into Shyam, okay, and send it to B. So actually B get Shyam, not Ram, okay. So this type of attack is the modification, okay. Next is the denial of service. Denial of service attack is, if you guys remember that I have taught you like about the proxy firewall, okay, in previous semester. In last semester I have teach you about the proxy firewall. In proxy firewall, what happens is, here is a user and here is the actual server from where the user want to request something, whatever is want to request, he requesting to the actual server. But what happens is, this actual server set up a proxy server in between of the actual server and the user. So first the user request goes to the proxy server, and this proxy server first analyze these requests, and if he validate these after validating these requests, he can like allow him to access the actual server, or can deny his or her request, okay. So this type of these this is the working of the proxy firewall. So this is the same method we use in the denial of services. Like suppose here is a A and here is a B, okay, and A want to communicate with B directly, but what happens is C comes in between of these two people, and C set up a unit, and this unit works as, what this unit does is, whatever A requesting to B, these requests comes to this unit first, and this unit can this unit can ये यूनिट ए को ओन बेनिफिट्स के अकॉर्डिंग रिप्लाई कर सकती है कि ए को रिप्लाई कर सकती है कि बी इज अवेलेबल और नॉट. Like suppose B is available, okay, B is available, but C doesn't want that A got to know, A get this information that B is available, okay. So what C does is, C reply to A that B is not available, okay, B is not available. And in second case, what could happen is, B is not available and C want that I can, so in B available नहीं है, then C can do is, what C can do is, C can reply to A that B is available, and then what A do is, A send some information to B, and this information can easily be C के पास आ जाएगी, okay. Like this is A, this is B and C इनके बीच में कहीं पर है. उसने एक वर्किंग यूनिट क्रिएट की जिसका काम ये है कि अगर B अवेलेबल है तो वो इसको रिप्लाई करेगी कि B अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड इस केस में क्या होगा कि अगर A को कोई डेटा सेंड करना है तो वो अभी डेटा सेंड नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि उसे पता चला कि B अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. B एक्चुअली अवेलेबल है लेकिन C नहीं चाहता कि A उससे कम्युनिकेट करे. इन सेकेंड केस B सपोज अवेलेबल नहीं है, ओके, देन C उसको A को रिप्लाई करता है कि B अवेलेबल है, ओके, B अवेलेबल है. तो इस केस में क्या होगा कि A डेटा सेंड करेगा नेटवर्क को, ओके, नेटवर्क में डेटा उसने सेंड कर दिया, एंड दिस डेटा एक्चुअली कम्स टू C. सो C गॉट द A's डेटा, ओके. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ अटैक एक्चुअली इज द denial of service attack. Denial of service attack. Thank you.